With over 20 years of experience and a presence in 75 countries, Tecai has become a trusted name in HVAC cleaning technology. We manufacture a complete range of innovative solutions designed to clean and disinfect HVAC systems in both residential and commercial settings. Our technology empowers duct cleaning companies to deliver faster, better results, making their operations more efficient and their services more competitive. Among our standout products is the MultiBot, the most advanced multitask robot available. It's engineered to navigate and clean even the most challenging duct systems, ensuring a thorough and reliable clean every time. For residential duct cleaning, we introduce Venet, our latest innovation. Equipped with a built-in rotary brush and negative vacuum system, Venet delivers powerful and precise cleaning, making it the ideal solution for home HVAC systems. Whether you're tackling complex commercial installations or precise residential cleanings, Tecai provides the advanced tools you need to achieve superior results, faster and more effectively than ever before. Tecai, the trusted choice for HVAC cleaning technology. Join us in setting new standards in the industry.